Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log Facebook profile officially. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Facebook and click on our profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now as we here, we need to find settings in the top right corner with a little gear icon and click on it. Now as we are on settings and privacy, we need to scroll down until we find the section called audience and visibility, and we need first of all followers and public content option here. Click on it. Now if we want to make our profile locked private, we need to tap on every single option here and set from public to something else. So in my case it would be friends, close friends, or even only me. So I'll just, if I want the profile to be locked, I will just set everything to only me, and you need to do this with all of the options here. And when you are done, you need to go back and also go to profile and tagging and do the same thing with these options also. So for example, go to who can see what others post, set it to only me, and click on save. And basically that is it. That is how we can log our Facebook profile officially. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.